Matt's eating pizza. But aside from that, we got the box welded. We took the latch guard off. We put a new piece of steel here, and then we have their latch guard that we're gonna weld on top of it. Currently, closes. Matt, go ahead and opens. We've got the weldable box, Simplex L1000 series. Patched the side piece here, welded the box, connected it all the way around. We installed a spacer to space out the latch guard. Test the buzzer. And working perfectly fine.